As coronavirus pandemic is being intensified, the US-China trade war accelerated the global supply chain of implementing tariffs between America and China. The trade war was competing from 2018 to 2022. According to data is being visualized from July to September 2018, there was significant tariff increase on both sides. The average US tariff increased from 3.8% to 12%, and the average Chinese tariff increased from 7.2% to 18.3%. In the Phase 1 agreement, China has lowered the tariff it applies on imports from the rest of the world. China's average tariff toward those exporters had declined from 8% in early 2018 to 6.5% by early 2022. The United States increased the average tariff on imports from the rest of the world from 2.2% to 3% over the same period. For corresponding the increasing tariff, many countries has realigned their tariff targets export to the United States, reducing their export to China and increasing their tariff targets export to the rest of the world. Vietnam export to the United States rose 17.5 billion. Import from Venezuela and the Middle East have fallen sharply due to US sanctions and increased energy self-sufficiency. However, as the number of Chinese manufacturers has increased, the status of manufacturing related to the United States has gradually changed. Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and India offer better labor costs and productivity outputs. So American manufacturing is moving to other Asian countries. So conversely, China was able to compensate by increasing sales to other countries, so that export contract by a relatively small amount. China export to Southeast Asia alone increased by 38.5 billion, which overtook the United States as China's second largest trading partner. Export to Europe and Sub-Saharan Africa also increased. Chinese import from the United States fell by 33 billion in 2019. China has further cut its imports of components from Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan, as exporter proceed goods to the United States have fallen sharply. In the short term, manufacturers will continue to shift trade, looking for alternatives to temporary tariff evasion, such as transshipment and supplier adjustment. In the long term, manufacturers will scale up production and restart existing facility, location of final assembly and rebalancing of consumption and service, which are less trade intensive than capital investment. Supply chain shift triggered by the trade wars and pandemic will only accelerate this trend. So next, here we'll discuss transport impact on the supply chain.